Welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Tech 22. Bosch Gpb 18V5C. Meet the Bosch Gpb. It's not just about tools and appliances anymore. Bosch, known for its top-notch tools and home gadgets, is branching out into new territories. Did you know they're also a big player in automotive parts and even healthcare? Talk about a diverse portfolio. Now let's talk about this cool gadget they cooked up. A battery-powered audio system specially made for construction sites. Picture this: 4 5-watt speakers and a powerful 20-watt subwoofer, all packed into one rugged package. It's like having your own mini concert right at the job site. But that's not all. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.